My name is Dawson Bingham, and this is my ME305 final project. I'll start by showing you the parts that are in it, and then I'll show you it working. So this is my laptop, and it'll be my user input as well as my display. You can see right there that it's telling us that it's going to control Tyrell's garage, and right now that the garage is open. That open is coming from what would be a sensor, but I didn't have time to wire it up. And it actually is just a little jumper wire that if you move it from the 5 volts to ground, simulating a opening and closing a circuit, and then you come over here and refresh it. It'll ask if I can resend the information. You hit resend. It takes a little bit of a second. Maybe a lot of a second. And now it says the garage is closed. For the actuator, it's just a 1/2 horsepower garage door opener, as you can see. And I think that's it. That's the sensor, the user input, the display, and the actuator. So let me show you it working now. Here, when I push open, the garage door opens like it should. Sorry, it's a little shaky. And to show you that my board is communicating with my laptop, when I click here, you can see the lights come on, and the door closes again, and yeah, that's my project.